In this video, we're going to learn how to repeat table header rows in Word and how to fix the issue if the rows do not repeat. Select the row or rows you want to repeat in the table header. In this example, I want the first 2 rows to repeat, so I'll select the top 2 rows. Right-click on the table and click on Table Properties. Click on the Row tab and select Repeat as Header Row at the top of each page. Click OK. The selected header row or row should now appear at the top of each page. If the header row does not repeat, right-click on the table again and click on Table Properties. Click on the Table tab. In the text wrapping section, if a round is selected, click on None. Click on the Row tab and select Repeat as Header Row at the top of each page. Click OK. If this still does not work, select the entire table. With the table selected, the Table Design tab will appear at the top of the screen. Click on Table Design. From the table styles, click on the first table style. This will apply the basic table style to the table and remove any existing cell shading. Reapply any shading. Select the row or rows to repeat in the table header. Right-click and select Table Properties. Click on the Row tab and select Repeat as Header Row at the top of each page. Click OK. Thank you for watching and be sure to like this video and subscribe for more.